Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys couldn't guess by the title, we are doing a Victoria's Secret model makeup tutorial where I attempt to turn myself into a Victoria's Secret model. Minus me walking down a runway in my underwear in front of thousands of people. So this is the look we're going to be creating. I did use a lot of Charlotte Tilbury products because she was the makeup artist for the event. I did not realize just how many Charlotte Tilbury products I owned until this video. But as you guys can see, the products are really nice. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So as usual, we're going to start off with our eyes first. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with my Charlotte Tilbury, the Retoucher Conceal and Treat Stick. This is just going to hide all the discoloration on my eyelids. Oh, that's going in my eye. Okay. Whew. Don't do that. So I'm just going to paint that on and then blend it out with my beauty blender. And I'm quickly going to set that before it creases, just with my trusty Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I should probably pick up a new one of these. So I'm just going to pat that on. See what a difference that made? Now it's time to do the other eye. I need me some coffee to get through today. So most of the Victoria's Secret models have this beautiful like bronze glittery smoky eye, and I'm going to attempt to do something similar. I don't have the exact palette Charlotte Tilbury used, but I do have this. But I am getting ahead of myself because first I'm going to go in with this. This is the Eyes to Mesmerise Eyes to Mesmerise in Star Gold. It's just this beautiful bronze cream eyeshadow. Just going to grab a blending brush and blend this onto my eyelid. It's just going to be a base for our eyeshadow. I feel like I took way too much on the brush, but you live and you learn. Next up, we're gonna grab our trusty palette. This is the Instant Eye palette. And I'm just gonna grab another blending brush. I'm gonna take the shade, there's no shade names. I'm gonna take this shade right here. There are my initials though. And I'm just gonna add this to my crease for a bit of depth. Now the models didn't have particularly dark smoky eyes, so I am going to attempt to keep this quite light, but you guys know me. Whenever I try to keep things light, it always turns into this like really dramatic smoky eye. I'm just going to blend a bit of that onto the outer edge as well. Now I am going to grab the tiniest little bit of the shade here. I'm just going to use this to define my outer V. Then I'm just going to grab a flat shader brush and I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade right here. I'm going to pat this onto the first half of my eyelid and just sort of blend it out when it meets that brown shade. FYI guys, I'm thinking of moving to Brisbane. I just love the lifestyle of Brisbane more. It's a lot more relaxed than Sydney. I almost put my brush in my coffee instead of my brush holder. Okay, so that's it for eyeshadow for now. Now I'm gonna grab this eye pencil. This is the Rock and Cool Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil. It's the black shade, Bedroom Black. I'm going to attempt to smudge this. I need to stop saying attempt if I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna smudge this into my top lash line. Then I'm gonna grab this brow liner brush from Zoeva just because I have it handy. I'd normally use like a smudge brush, but it's all the way over there. And I'm just gonna smudge that black a bit. Perfect. This is gonna help our eyelashes look fuller. We all want those Victoria's Secret lashes. My brother has the most amazing eyelashes I've ever seen. I'm so jealous. Why did he get the good eyelash genes? He doesn't even use them. Onto mascara, I have the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume 2 Mascara. I haven't actually tried this. And today seems like the perfect day to try it. So I'm just gonna add some of this to my lashes. Ooh, I like this. But I'm still gonna add falsies. So the falsies I'm gonna use today are the Carry Lashes by Coco Lashes. So our lashes are on, now we can move on to our base. I'm gonna start off with this primer. This is the Brightening Youth Glow Anti-Aging Color Correcting Glow Boost by Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm just gonna pop some of this on my face and just work that in. It smells nice. Kind of smells like jasmine, I want to say. So that's added a really nice glow to our skin. But we're not stopping there, folks. I'm gonna take the Hollywood Beauty Light wand, also by Charlotte Tilbury. I've just got it all over me. So this is a liquid highlighter. Because I do have oily skin, I'm going to apply this under my foundation. Otherwise it just tends to like move my foundation and then I get all these patchy areas. So I'm doing it under it. I'm just applying it to where I would normally put highlighter. Ooh, that was a bit raspy. And just blend it out. You can probably use your fingers for this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so glowy. Now for foundation, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation because it's the most skin-like looking foundation that I have. And the Charlotte Tilbury foundations didn't quite work with my skin. So we want our skin to look like naturally radiant and airbrushed and like we're ready to walk on the runway. So I'm just going to apply some of this to my face. And as you can see, the luminosity from the highlighter is still coming through. So for concealer, I'm just gonna grab the Retoucher concealer. This is the shade 2, if anyone's wondering. And I'm just gonna put some under my eyes. I'm gonna use it to highlight the center of my face. And we just wanna blend that out again. This is where you can touch up the outside of your eyeshadow as well. What's my pinky doing? And I'm gonna set that before it creases with this. I don't actually have any of the Charlotte Tilbury powders, so I do not know how they wear, but I would love to try them someday. So I'm just gonna pat this on where we put that concealer. I'm also gonna use this powder to set the center of my face. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my NYX No Filter powder. So I'm just gonna brush this on just lightly because we don't wanna get rid of that luminosity. So for my bronzer, I'm going to use the bronze shade in the Filmstar Bronze and Glow face palette. I used to use this all the time. Don't really know why I stopped. I guess just because I have so much makeup these days. So I'm just going to bronze up my face with this. Oh, it's so pretty. I feel like I missed a bit of foundation on my nose. Oh my god, last night there was a spider on my pillow, guys. Turning into a chit chat, get ready with me. And I tried to swat it and it ran and it disappeared and I couldn't find it. And I haven't seen it since. It's probably like crawled into my ear. So whilst I have this palette out, I'm gonna grab the highlight shade and highlight. So we're gonna put it on the tops of our cheekbones. I'm also gonna put it on my brow bone as well. And down the center of my face. Am I Adriana Lima yet? No. Now for blush, I'm going to use the Cheek to Chic Sex on Fire blush. I haven't even used the shade yet, so I'm just going to dip my brush in, tap off the excess. I'm going to tap off the excess, put that on my cheeks. Shall we finish off our eyes now? I think so. So back to our eyes, we're going to grab that palette again and a pencil brush. I'm going to take that orangey shade. We just want to smoke that into our lower lash line. Make sure you connect it to the top eyeshadow as well. Then I'm just going to grab that darker brown shade we used and apply a tiny little bit to the very outer corner. Then on a clean pencil brush, I'm going to grab this glittery shade over here. And I'm going to use this on the very inner corner of my eyes. And to finish your eyes, we just want to add some mascara to our bottom eyelashes. So next up is eyebrows. I'm going to lightly fill in my eyebrows with my Colourpop Brow Pencil. I feel like the Victoria's Secret models don't have like really thick Instagram brows, so I'm going to try not to do that. I accidentally cut off too much of this eyebrow. And to set my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Colourpop Brow Gel. Hello, focus. Thank you. Now for our lips, we're going to start off with my all-time favorite lip liner, the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Pillow Talk. And I'm going to use this to line my lips and overline my top lip slightly because I like how it looks. Obviously, you don't have to do this. Honestly, I did not realize how many Charlotte Tilbury products I had until this video. Now for lipstick, we're going to use a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This is the Duchess. I thought it looked like a pretty nice natural pinky nude color. I really like this color. I feel like this is perfect for Victoria's Secret. My lips are hella dry, but it's not like emphasizing that. Now I know Charlotte Tilbury used a gloss on a lot of the models, but I don't have any Charlotte Tilbury glosses. So instead I'm gonna use a Jouer one. I'm pretty sure this is the shade Nude, and I'm just gonna put that over the top. Do I look like I'm ready to strut around downtown in my underwear? No. And so this is the finished look. I think this turned out really well. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more from me. Now I think I'm gonna order McDonald's on Uber Eats and watch the models strut their stuff. Bye guys!